McDonald's. It's just Trey would take the McDonald's away. Yeah. Because he wants it, not because something bad happened, just because he wants it. All right. I am recording. All right. So, data. How do you pronounce this word?
Data.
You can say data or data. Both are accepted. And it is information.
Who's supposed to learn that?
I know. What happens if it's her? From observations counts, measurements, or responses. How's my writing? Can you read it?
Yes.
A little small? How's that? Is that better for you right there? Peyton, is that better?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can. Sure. All right. Trey. Okay, ready? Don't be mean to me. Are you ready? Okay. Make an observation about me. Say anything about me that you see. I wear glasses. That is an observation. Say a count about me. Something you can count. I have 2 nostrils. That's a count. Everybody good on this? What's a measurement? Please don't guess my weight. I am 5'2.5". I'm 5'2.5". That's a measurement about me. Okay? Responses is like if you give somebody a survey question and they answer it. Does that make sense? So these are the different things that it could be. All right. So what were our examples? Tell me again. It was Nussbaum. I have glasses. I have 2 nostrils. I am 5'2.5". And responses are like from a survey. So if you had given me a survey and I had answered anything, that would be a response. Like, do you like school lunches? And I say, yes or no. Whatever. All right, statistics is a science of collecting, organizing, analyzing, and interpreting data. All right. Collecting data is how I get my information, right? Organizing data, that's like putting it on a graph or kind of showing somebody the results. Analyzing is when I do stuff like find the mean, median, and mode, or I find like percentages or that kind of stuff. And interpreting is when I use a sample to make a guess about a population. Statistics is this class. We're going to do all these things. Next up, we've got a population. A population is a collection of all data that you are interested in. a sample is part of a population. Can you tell the difference in speed between the two classes?
Yes.
So, for example, let's see, a population. Let's say I wanted to know the average age of everybody in Lewiston. Okay, so the population would be the ages of everyone in Lewiston. But a sample is just some of them. So a sample would be like the ages of, 75 people in Lewiston. Because there's no reason to get the data on everybody. For example, let's say I wanted to find out who Lewiston's going to vote for president, okay? And I go out into the community and I interview 100 people, and they say, 75 of them say, I'm going to vote for Trump, okay? Then I could say, I think Lewiston is going to vote for Trump. Does that mean it's guaranteed? All I interviewed was 100 people. No, but the sample was the reasonable amount of people I could talk to, right? And the population is what I really want to figure out. I really want to know who everybody's voting for. So this is hard for people to understand, so look up and pay attention, okay? The sample and the population is not the people. It's the data. So can you imagine, close your eyes. Imagine just ages in front of you, like numbers, like 17, 18, 25, 85, all the ages of people in Lewiston, like a big pool of numbers. Can you see it in your head? Okay, all of these numbers, that's the population. But just the numbers of the people that you looked at, that's the sample. It's not the people. It's the information. Okay? All right, let's go back. Next up is a parameter and a statistic. A parameter is a numerical description of a population. And I'm going to draw an arrow from parameter to population. What does the word numerical mean? A number. It's a number that describes the population. So let's make up a fact. Average number of dogs per household in Lewiston. What do you guys think, if you had to guess? 2 point or 1 point something. It can be a decimal.
1.6.
1.6. That's a parameter. I'm talking about all of Lewiston. Okay. A statistic is a numerical description of a sample. So a statistic goes with a sample. Maybe it's better to have one over here instead, like that. Easier to see. Okay. All right. Let's figure out some data. Trey, how many dogs do you have at your house? Two. Dylan?
One.
One. Zero? Zero. Zero. Two. I've got one. How about you? One. All right. How do I find the average? Add them all together and divide by how many I have. All right, 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus another 4 is 7. And how many people are in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Divide by 8. So 7 divided by 8 is 0.88. So the average number of dogs of us 8 people is 0.88 dogs. This is just a sample. We're just a sample. How many dogs we have, that's just a sample. All right, how are you feeling about it so far?
Good.
Good. We only have 2 definitions left. Can we make it? All right. Well, actually, hold on. Quiz on you is due tomorrow, right? Okay, Trey's not done. How about you? You turned it in? Not done. Turned yours in? Not done.
Mine's not done.
Not done. All right. Do you guys want to spend the last, 10 minutes working on it? Okay. All right, we're going to finish these notes tomorrow, so make sure that you have them out and ready.